we making today?
Pumpkin pie.
Pumpkin pie, can you tell everyone?
We're making pumpkin pie today, and we have a new little animal in our show just for today. Her name is Marshmallow.
Marshmallow. We got Marshmallow. Hello, Marshmallow. Is she going to help us? We are making pumpkin pie, and the reason why, which rhymes, is because I get people coming over my house all the time, and I want to give them some desserts that are nice to make for people when they come over that are just less heavy on the belly. So what goes in here first? Do the dates go in here? Okay, can you put the dates in there? So we put the dates, which we pre-soaked in hot water. That is coconut milk. Good work. What else is there? Is that pumpkin? That's pureed pumpkin. And so we'll put in there the pureed pumpkin. And what I love to put in there is sweet potato, which I just bake in the oven. The sweet potato makes it less pumpkin-y. It still tastes like pumpkin pie, but less. Yeah, that's got cinnamon and allspice. Cinnamon and allspice, thank you. And arrowroot. Now, if you don't have arrowroot at home, you definitely probably have cornstarch or corn flour. Use corn flour, it does the same thing, so use the same amount. And just to give it a little bit of sweetness, we're going to add a little bit of honey, just a touch of honey. Well, a little bit of honey. You don't even have to put the honey in there. If you want it, just the dates to give it the sweetness, that's fine.
Can I have a taste of it?
You want to taste the honey? Okay, so now I pre-made the crust, as you can see here. The crust filling is the same one I used previously, so go to our website, mumsathetable.com, and find the recipe for the crust. And now I'm going to make the filling.
What Marshmallow is?
What is Marshmallow? Yes.
She's a squishmallow, of course.
She's a squishmallow, of course. Okay.
Now there's no more on it. Can I taste it?
You can taste it. Okay, so I have just blended that until it was smooth. Now you will get a few bits of the dates in there. So that's it for our filling. And can you pass me the white spatula from in there? And I'm gonna pour this out. We've got all these in the way. Oh wow, this is gonna taste amazing. And we are gonna come back. I'm gonna put this in the oven at 180 degrees just for 35 minutes until it's brown on top. It'll set. Delicious.
It looks like one big blob when it's all together.
It does. So I just smooth it out, and then we'll put that in the oven and we'll be back soon. Okay, so is our pie ready? We actually cooked the pie for 35 minutes in the oven at 180. It looks awesome. We also let it cool down and put it in the fridge for a while just so it sets. So this is what it looks like once it's set. As you can see, it's really firm. It is so good. And now we're gonna cut some, and then the kids are gonna have some because they love it so much. And then I put some cashew cream on it. We have the recipe for the cashew cream on our website on mumsathetable.com. I make cashew cream at home and leave it in the fridge because you can put it on your breakfast. It is delicious. All it is cashews and pears. It's awesome. And there you have it, your pumpkin pie, your healthy pumpkin pie.
Animal body and a face and eyes.
Ouchie. Okay, so do you guys...
And the face has a tongue.
Okay, I'll cut some for you guys. So say bye, and then we'll cut some and eat some, okay? Bye.